Hello educators, welcome back to our YouTube channel MJ Manjari. You must be aware that recently CBSE has released one circular on 31st January 2024 regarding school registration for participation in CBSE structure assessment for analyzing learning SAFAL. So in this video we are going to know first of all what is SAFAL. Then we are going to show you complete steps of how to do registration via demo video. So let's start. SAFAL. It's a structure assessment for analyzing learning. It's a competency based diagnostic assessment as per the recommendation of NEP 2020 was launched by CBSE in its affiliated school in July 2021. The SAFAL pilot was successfully conducted in February 2023 for grade 5 and 8 in 1887 CBSE affiliated school. As part of continuous effort to enhance the quality of education and foster competency-focused learning, SAFAL will be conducted for students of grade 5 and 8 of a school affiliated to the CBSE. The registration for school for participating in SAFAL will be open with effect from 31st January 2024 to 20 Feb 2024. To register for SAFAL, school can log in using LOC credential at the CBSE SAFAL portal. Link for it's given in the description of this video. CBSE urged all the schools to register in SAFAL, which will provide the student of grade 5 and 8 an opportunity to participate in comprehensive assessment based on core competency. SAFAL assessment schedule. First, registration. Last date for registration is 20 Feb 2024. Second, field test in randomly selected 100 school. It will be conducted between 12 March to 31st March 2024. Third, SAFAL assessment. It will be conducted in July 2024. Fourth, report generation. It will be conducted on August 2024. Now let's see how we can do SAFAL registration step by step process through this demo video. That's all for today's video. If you are having any query or any problem while registration, you can use the comment section of this video. I will try to solve your problem as soon as possible. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. We'll meet in another video with some more interesting information for you. Thank you.